Hi there, it's Sam from poodles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today. Today's this card. How cute is this? Over the moon. Just adorable. All watercoloured, and I'm going to, or watercolour pencils. That's how I should say it. But I'm going to show you how to make it so easy. I'm going to do a different cow. This is a dreaming cow. I don't know which one I'm going to do. I think I might do this one with the flower. But anyway, so I've taken a piece of cardstock, cut it in half and scored it in half. Measured up this layer, then I've cut a piece of Whisper White, 1/2 centimetre shorter and narrower to fit in there. Then this one is 2.5 centimetres shorter and narrower than that one, and that one 1/2 centimetre, so that you end up with this lovely set of layers that go all the way around. Now in inches, you're looking at probably 1/8 of an inch shorter and narrower for all of your layers, and probably 1 inch. So this black layer is probably 1 inch shorter and narrower than the outer black. It's super easy. Okay, so I'm going to do my thought bubbles with the hearts, same as I did before, in a slightly bigger block. And where's my memento? Thought I had it here. Nope. And I'm just going to come around the edge parts along the bottom. Obviously a big chunk of it's going to get covered up, so I'm not overly worried how much is or isn't on display. And what I'm just going to do is double check. Yep, that's all fine. So that's that bit done. And then I'm going to bring in my cow. Oh, how lovely. It's one with the flower. What a cute set this is. It's just divine, isn't it? Okay, so I want that size block. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to use my grid paper, and I'm lining the block up with the edges of the grid. And then I'm going to put the feet of the cow pretty straight on my block. Position my white on the grid paper. And then again, using the block as a guide, line it all up, press down, straight. And then what phrase shall I go? Party till the cows come home. Over the moon for you. I'm going to go with you're utterly fantastic, because that's really cute. I think that's the one. I'm trying to read it backwards. And then I'm going to do the same with this. Get a block, line it up. You could use your Stamparatus for this, of course, but I'm a speed crafter. And again, line that up. Straight. Ha! Bravo. Okay, so let me put those away for a second. And I'm going to use my watercolour pencils, which is 2 sets of them here. Always useful. I have 2 sets mixed in together. So I'm going to pull out Cherry Cobbler for the hearts in the background. And then, oh, what colour flower should we have? I have a yellow centre. I'll move those ones out of the way and pull out my blender pens. And I'm going to have some garden green leaves. I need black for his, well, that's basic grey. I'm going to pull that one out as well. And I'm looking for the black one. There it is. And I'm going to pull some green, granny apple green out for underneath. What colour boots? Oh, I might stay with the Cherry Cobbler. And I think that's probably it for now. I might come back to it. So this is super simple. All you do is you kind of scribble in the middle. You don't need to go up to the edges at all, because the blender pen will do that. This is Cheats colouring. I'm pressing quite hard because I want quite a depth of colour here. I think those two are hidden, aren't they? They are. So now, with my blender pen, let's just bring you in a little bit. With my blender pen, it will move all of that red ink around. It's softening it, taking the hard lines away, and moving it around. Oh, tra-la! So I will do that. If I knew how to do fast forward on a video, I would. Instead, I'll have a chat to you. So, yeah, let me know what you think about the Tuesday and Thursday videos. Obviously, they're 2 extra videos a week for you, and that they're cards. So I've been doing it a few weeks now. I'm trying to think where we are in June, towards the end. So I'll have been doing them for a month, but I'd love to know what your thoughts are. If you don't like it, I'll stop it. I'm a firm believer in listening to people's thoughts and opinions. I don't think I could add more. So yeah, our watercolour pencils, we've got 2 sets now. We've got one that's got 12 pencils in, and then one set that's got 10, I think, so they're a slightly different price. I think one set's £11 and one set's 13 or maybe 15. I don't remember exactly, but they are different colours. Okay, so there we go. That's done. I don't want the red of that on his boots. I want real red on his boots. That's that one. So exactly the same, just a splodge in the middle. I don't know if this is the right way or not, but I'm just scribbling off my blender pen to get rid of the cherry cobbler from before. I mean, yeah, like I said, I don't know if this is the right way to use watercolour pencils or not. It's the way I do it, and it's easy. Okay, we'll put some yellow in the centre of the flower. Scribble that one off. Some garden green on those leaves. I want black for that one and that one. And I want basic grey for the hooves, the hair up there. I don't know if that's what you call it, hair. Scribble off that green. So I want the basic grey up there. What colour should I do his horns? I think they kind of have to be a brown, don't they? It's my early espresso. I'm not pushing too hard on that one, I don't want it too dark. And then I'm going to scribble quite lightly. I'm going to go like this. Oh no, I want the green to do this. My granny apple green underneath his feet. So, you know, you kind of need something to stand on. And then again, soften it all. It's taking away the lines from the pencil. And I want to put a little bit of something on his face, just to give him a little pop of colour. So, I don't know, do I want... That's Flirty Flamingo. Well, if that's Flirty Flamingo, what colour's that then? Oh, I don't know. A past one. Okay, so I'm going to put a tiny little bit around his mouth. I don't know how well that's showing up. And then when I move it, it's just a little bit of extra colour. You can possibly see it a bit more on this one. I'm not sure. Perhaps if I show it to the camera. But that really kind of is it done. So let me scooch out again. I was mid-zooming out. My camera hates being zoomed out. Really doesn't like it. Okay, so I can start layering these up now. So that layer is going on here. This one is going on here. And then I'm going to put dimensionals on the back of here just to lift it up a little bit. There we go. Job done. Cute, cute. Aren't they sweet? Love them. Anyway, thank you ever so much for joining me. Hope to speak to you soon. Bye.